gonna go fly the DJI Spark drone. Yes, I finally got a decent drone. It's actually nice today here in Arizona. So we're gonna definitely get into the drone and do some of the unique flights that it has. Also, we're gonna do some altitude testing, sport mode, and everything in that nature. We're just pretty much gonna play around with it. So we're almost here at the park. Let's go play around. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we've got a very light breeze. Not bad at all. It's real calm. Here she is, DJI Spark, fully charged, ready to go. But as I stated, I want to definitely play around with doing the other flight features that it has. What's up, guys? Sorry to interrupt in the video. I just wanted to bring this in and let you guys know I do have a product review coming for the DJI Spark skins. Make sure you guys check out DECALGIRL and also stay tuned for that product review. I'll be dropping all the links down below in the description. All right, let's get to it. All right, we're set. We got our phone. We're gonna go ahead and get this bad boy up in the air. Antenna wise, all you do is just flip these up. Don't change the way they are. Leave them as is. This is where I'm going to set her up at, and all you gotta do, click once on the remote and then hold it down. You'll hear it kick on. Same thing for the drone in the back. Press once and then hold down and you'll hear the motors kick on. And then what I like to do is find my remote under my Wi-Fi, which I've already changed the name to Mr. Flip Remote. I'm going to click on it. It's connecting. I'm going to push the home button. It's connected. Go to my DJI Go 4. DJI Go 4 app. There it is, connected. Hit Go Fly. And everything is set up. There we go. All right, we have full connections. We got, you are in a warning zone. Has been updated. Please check it on the map. So my home point's been in warning zone for flights. There's no airports near me. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is, you can see there's a remote here on the controller. You probably can't see it, but I'll take some screenshots for you guys. Let's go ahead and hit launch. So what you do is click both of these in, and it is ready to go. Let's take it off. There we are. So I'm gonna get a little bit more distance in. I'm gonna hit the remote here. Intelligent flight mode terms. Quick shot, ActiveTrack. Let's hit ActiveTrack. And this I don't know how to do 100%. Hit record. Push ActiveTrack. There you go. I think I need to get the screen on me. Oh, highlight myself, I think. No. Alright, ActiveTrack. There it goes. Alright, now it should be following me. Now it says subject out of range. I don't know why it's doing that. I guess I push go. Here it comes. Let's move away from it and see if it follows us. Yep, it's following. There we go. ActiveTrack is on, you guys. Look. It's following me around. Pretty neat. Let's go ahead and stop the camera. So we got that setting in. Let's go.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Home point's been updated. We're gonna go back to DJI. I believe you push DJI. Oh, don't do that. Let's go back to Go Flight. All right. Let's go back. Hit home. Return to home landing. And I'm gonna cancel it right there. I'm gonna come in, grab it. Shut it down. We're gonna do an altitude flight. Can I use this function without taking off? Okay, let's take off.
Take off.
I don't even want to go on that. I want to go altitude flight. I'm gonna.
Point has been updated.
Let me hit record. Let's take an altitude flight and see how high we can get this guy. We're at 85% battery life, and we are just gonna go straight up. Now I'm on a 30% warning, so when I get 30% on the battery life, it'll warn me to bring it down. Yeah, she's high. Oh my goodness, that is like super high. I'm not used to flying a drone this high. It's kind of scary. I got her way up there.
Flight altitude reached.
All right, so we reached the maximum altitude flight. So this is the highest I can go, you guys. Let me go ahead and get you guys a view. That is beautiful. Look at that. Now I can change the settings for higher altitude, but I'm really not going to do that just because this is actually really high. It's like a speck in the sky right now. But I'm still in my visual, so it's safe. I can still see it. Check out that Arizona desert, you guys. So beautiful. That is so cool. 74% battery life. And what I'm going to do is hit the home feature and get her back home. Checking her out. She's still way up there. Look how high that is. That's awesome. We do have some wind coming in. I haven't got a wind warning yet. There we go. There's the fields. There's where I fish all the time over there at Rotary Park. So beautiful. Look at this. Now you can see she's kicking a little bit because of the wind. Let's go ahead and bring her home. All right, that was beautiful. So beautiful. I still see her right there. 68% battery life, so we're still kicking in pretty good. I want to get some more screenshots of this here. That's pretty. Look at this. That looks awesome. All right, let's bring her home. We're hitting return to home mode, and I'm going to keep an eye on it.
Landing.
Obstacle advance will be disabled in landing, so we're bringing her home. I'm able to stop it and control it if it gets a little out of hand, and obstacles avoidance will be disabled in landing, but I have no obstacles in this area, so we're good. And here she comes. So awesome. I think with the last part of the battery life, we are going to go ahead and go do palm launch. Here she comes, coming home. Awesome. All right, I'm going to stop her right here.
Stop landing.
And bring her down myself. What's up, beautiful? Good to see you back. We have 54% battery life, you guys. Let's go ahead and click on here. Oh, that was picture, sorry. We're gonna wanna go back into video mode. We're gonna go into flight.
Takeoff.
Hit record. And we're going into sport mode, you guys. So I'm gonna keep her about yay high. Sport mode is on. This is where she just goes crazy. Look at this. Super fun in sport mode, you guys. So it's not just a selfie drone, but also a sports drone pretty much. You can see it flying off. Super fast. Flying around the barrels here. Now, mind you, in sport mode, you want to be very cautious around your surroundings, because look, it does take a minute for it to completely stop. So fly with safety. It's a little bit of a wind drift. See what my battery is. We're at 40%. We should be getting a kick on for a battery warning here pretty soon. But I mean, this thing's so fun, you guys. .360 mode. She's fast. There is other modifications to be able to do to your DJI Sparks, but it will probably screw up your warranty if you do them. So I advise not to do them. But you can make these things like crazy super fast with the modifications. All right, we got a low battery warning. We are at 29%. I can go about 15% and feel comfortable. So let's fly around a little bit more. Let's see, where am I at? 27%. That was fun. She is. And we'll go ahead and shut her down. Click once in the back and then hold it down. Click once on the remote and hold it down. Alright guys, so there it is. DJI Spark. Little Sparky. That's what I named her. Fun flights. Stay tuned guys, I got more batteries coming and we'll be doing more flights. Yeah buddy.